Hey YouTube, how you doing? This is Joe over at Alan Ed's Auto Sound in Marina Del Rey, featuring the Rough Country 30-inch Jeep JL Wrangler hood light bar kit. So basically it comes with brackets that mount below this plastic panel and feature a slimline 30-inch light bar. We went with the black series just so it's not as shiny on the inside. We were able to integrate to the tan and pink auxiliary 1 button. So if you push auxiliary 1, make sure you get that from the factory. It's a neat little upgrade. I'm a bigger fan of going below the roof line. That way you don't get any whistle or annoying hum when you're on the freeway. But once again, the 70054 30-inch light bar kit for your Jeep JL hood. Thanks, YouTube.